Hi, GDG Enugu. I'm super excited to be part of this year's Google IO Extended Enugu. I'm super excited. My name is Gloria, and I'm a developer advocate and front-end developer. Today I'll be talking about web monetization. I have a thing for the web, and web monetization is one thing that excites me so much. The concept of web monetization excites me a whole lot. So today I'll be talking about web monetization. Um, the web contains a lot of content. Basically, the web cannot exist without content. And um, content creators, because they put a lot of work to what they do to create content on the web, um, in a bid to in a bid to generate income, they subscribe to subscriptions, paywalls, ads, annoying ads, and donations. And this all can be super annoying. Um, let's use example for of Facebook. When you visit Facebook, there are sometimes these when you visit Facebook and you're probably watching a video, an annoying ad comes up and it violates the purpose of you watching the content. It violates the purpose for which the content was even put there. So the content was put there for you to be able to consume, um happily consume it. And all these annoying features, all these annoying um income generators trying to get in the way to violate the content that you consume. Also, on the other hand, the web influences various factors, and it's important to make the web a safe space for both users and content providers. Imagine your data being sold without your permission as a result of accessing an unsafe website. Basically, some big tech companies have more information than we think or we can think. We're talking about 70%, like 70% of the internet being owned or being in possession of some people, of some big tech companies, and this can be super annoying. Now, this is quite unsafe, and it's not just unsafe; it controls the data and that you have access to, what you can read, what you can see, and how you behave. So all these things actually influences the way we the influences what we can see on the web, what we can read on the web, and also how we can behave. They actually also use this data to impose some certain things on us, which is uncool and not nice actually. So thankfully, the Web 3C has proposed um, a better standard that would enable content creators to get paid at the same time, ensure that users have their privacy. So visiting the web, you do not you're safe visiting the web, and you know that your data is not being sold in any way, and um, your data is not being sold in any way, and at the same time content creators get paid for the content that they dish out. So now content creators can get paid, and at the same time users are not being extorted, because sometimes when we talk about um users paying a bit of certain amounts, they think that we're extorting them, but it's basically not. It's very cheap, and it's basically us not extorting the users for a very nice and attractive feature like data privacy. So we are going to be talking about web monetization. Web monetization is a technology that enables web users to stream very small payments, micropayments. Now, this is like the 0.00 to the page's creators in real life, or in real time rather. It ensures your privacy, protects your data, saves your time, and enables seamless payments using Interledger. Now, Interledger is a blockchain protocol that ensures and enables payments from different countries. So people from different parts of the world with different currencies can actually run transactions on the Interledger platform. So when we are talking about micropayment, we're also talking about in naira is like kobos, like 1 kobo, 0.0 kobo, and all of that. It actually depends on the site you're visiting. And it's also like normally you're supposed to subscribe 5%, $5 per month. And at the end of the day, you're not even able to consume the $5 because it is that cheap. So imagine you buying just $5 or subscribing $5 or to your web monetization and getting data privacy. So I think it's really, really affordable, and at the same time, it's the biggest flex of the century when it comes to data privacy, as compared to what you are being offered with a very, very cheap and affordable rate. Now, how does web monetization work? So web monetization uses Interledger. I explained the Interledger that Interledger is a blockchain protocol that enables different currency to run transactions. So people from different places in the world or different parts of the world can run transactions on the Interledger. So web monetization uses Interledger as an infrastructure, and it creates an interface for it, which allows users to stream very small payments, micro payments, to creators for the website that they can use or that they use. Now, on the other hand, content creators are able to implement it by adding a line of code to their website. It's very simple. The Interledger vision is to be able to send, receive, and monetize anything in any currency. That means it's not geographical restricted. It's anyone around the world can key into web monetization. Now, who can benefit from web monetization? Basically, anyone that partakes or visits the website can benefit from web monetization because um, everybody everybody shares, everybody has is being influenced by whatever happens on the web. So content creators can benefit from web monetization, web users, including web visitors. So if you visit the web just once in a while, you could also benefit from web monetization. We'll be talking about how to set up your web monetization as a creator, and it's very simple. So first of all, you open an account with an Interledger enabled wallet. Now this is to enable you run whatever um, transaction you need to do with your web monetization portal. In this case, we'll be talking about Coil. So you just have to set up your Interledger enabled wallet to be able to dish out and receive payment. Now you get your payment pointer. By the time you've opened an account, you'll be able to get a payment pointer. Use that payment pointer, and then you sign up for a coil account. And when you sign up to a coil account, you sign up to the coil account as a content creator, and then you'll be requested to impute your payment pointer. So you enter your payment pointer and monetize your content. You can web monetize your content. Now, for the purpose of the time, I can't really go distinctly into how to do that because they could vary based on how you publish your content or how your content is being published. And then you get paid. Simple as possible. um Now, as a user, you could also be a part of web monetization, and it's in a very simple steps. Now you visit the Coil website and sign up. You just visit coil.com, www.coil.com, and then you sign up to sign up or register to the website, and then go to settings and input the membership card. So there's a when you sign up to Coil, you're granted you go to the settings part, and then you check for the impute the membership card area, and you find it. Also, you add your credit card and subscribe. Subscription is $5, as cheap and affordable as $5. So you just input your when you click your membership card, like to input your membership card, you add your credit card, the details, and subscribe. Then you download your Coil extension for the browser you use. So whatever browser you use, you add it as an extension to be able to so that it could run on any website that you visit. And then once you complete these steps, you can visit sites that are monetized to know if a site is monetized. You will find an indication from the web coil extension icon in the browser. So you find an indication like on top right. That's where the extension icon is. So you find an indication there that your browser is that your payment has started basically. So for more information, you could visit help.coil.com. Docs is a large guidelines on how to do anything you want to do on Coil or pertaining to web monetization. So benefits of web monetization. We've gone through the parts where we have to register as both the content creators or the users. Now, what are the benefits of web monetization? It's easy to set up. If you look at what the steps I ran, they are actually very, very easy and they are easy, simple to use. Anyone can use it. So it's not just web developers or it's not just developers or engineers. Anybody, content creators. This is has been set up for content creators. So anyone from a dancer that has little to no knowledge, technical knowledge, can use web or subscribe to web monetization. Then it's secured. Now, remember, the purpose of web monetization on the user's part is to ensure data privacy. So it's very, very secure. You can do subscribe to web monetization and rest assured that your data is being protected. Everything about it is being kept safe and is not being sold out. Um, it protects your privacy. Your like apart from it being secured, it protects your privacy. So no one is invading your privacy, no one is stealing your information, no one is selling your information. So what stays in the web stays in the web. It also protects your data. I think this goes both ways. Protect your data. The like for instance, when I told that I visited the site and I purchased a bag, you do not have to worry about that data of you visiting that site. No one will know basically. No one will know that you visited the site. You just stay there. Then it distributes payments seamlessly using open protocols. So you do not have to go through the headache of how would you pay, how would you run your card, how would you pay run payments for the web monetization. You could just be rest assured that you could distribute payments through the interledger protocol and saves time. As easy as it was setting up for the web monetization for the user and the content creator, it's that easy when you actually do it in implementation and it saves time. It doesn't take a long time to set up. Um, yeah, so that's all I can say. I think my time has gone past, and I hope everyone has understood the concept of web monetization. If you have any questions, you could either mail me at gloriaesco@gmail.com. Right, sorry about the typo, but at gmail.com or underscore Gloria on Twitter. And I'll be very much happy and excited to answer your question. Thank you so much. It's Gloria Asuquo, and I'm a developer advocate. Thank you so much, GGG, Enugu. Bye.